Stephen loved his job as a distributor sales rep, but as the market continued to change, he had to fight to bring value to his customers and develop new business. He felt like he was in a race to zero. Stephen knew that if he didn't continually bring his customers valuable innovations and solutions, he would lose to his competitors who undercut. He also worried that customers would hunt for deals at discount websites. Stephen was frustrated. He no longer enjoyed his business. Then Stephen discovered the answer. He found Janitorial Manager. Janitorial Manager is a custodial management and maintenance software his customers can use to increase efficiency, achieve budget goals, and improve results through a comprehensive cloud-based solution. It offers employee management, inventory management, project management, inspection platforms, work orders, work loading, communication tools, and more. With JM, Stephen brought a unique and innovative solution to his customers and prospective customers. The software also made everyone's jobs easier. As a distributor, Stephen benefits greatly from the inventory management tools that were developed to easily send supply orders directly his way. This is one of the many efficient, easy connections that significantly reduce his customers' desire to shop around on those discount sites. Today, Stephen's customers love the value he brings them with Janitorial Manager, and Stephen loves his job again. With JM's lucrative referral program, when Stephen makes referrals that become customers, he makes some money too. Learn how you can be like Stephen and love your business again. Contact Janitorial Manager today.